What just happened? What is that noise? Oh no! Something moved! Oh no! Oh my god! I'm gonna get stuck. I need like a runner. So hectic. Look how much I'm sweating right now. Welcome to a new video. I just got to Byfield National Park and I'm about 3 kilometers off from the big sandy hill, and yeah, I'm a bit scared to go to this national park because people's been warning me that this hill is like hectic and that I'm not going to be able to get up it, and yeah, I guess we will find out. But yeah, let's keep driving and check this place out. Another reason why I'm a bit scared to do to explore this national park or do that hill is that I don't have any recovery gear. I don't have a air compressor, and yeah. We'll just hope for the best. Where's my car keys? Oh well, let's go! I'm still like a few kilometers off, like from the big sandy hill. And I had to stop and deflate my tires. Like crazy. It's already so soft and sandy. Oh, this is making me scared. So I decided to let my tires down to 18 psi. Hopefully that'll be enough, but if I need to deflate them more, I'll do that while I'm on the hill. Probably not a good idea, but oh well, hopefully it'll be enough with 18 psi. But there was a few cars that drove past me and they, like, their tires looked that, like, it was like no airs in the tires. So I don't know. I'm like scared. I ended up doing my front tires to 16 psi, but seriously, they don't even look that low. I'm like, what? Am I gonna have to deflate them even more? I reckon I will. Like, they don't look flat at all. They look normal. Oh well, let's keep driving this big sandy hill. Stuck in front of me. Fuck! I almost didn't make it up there. Fuck. Oh. I'm gonna get stuck. I need like a run up. I'm gonna have to reverse, I reckon. Like they're stuck. There. Fuck. Oh my god, I've gone like up and down so many times. This is actually fucked. Fuck. Oh my god. I'm gonna let my tyres down a bit more. This is actually so hectic. Look how much I'm sweating right now. Fucking hell. I don't understand. This is actually so crazy. Oh, holy moly. I don't know if you can see how much I'm sweating right now. I'm so nervous. I put my tyres down to 14 psi now. Everyone's gone. Like there was heaps of people here before and now I'm like the only one. Oh, fuck. I didn't think it was going to be this hectic. Holy moly. Oh, you really need to keep your momentum going or you're fucked. Oh well, let's give it another go. Oh, I made it a bit further up, but I got stuck again. This is so fucked. Holy moly, this is so fucked. Oh, I don't know what to do now. I had to reverse down again and I've lowered my tyres to 12 psi now. Fuck, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get up here. Fuck. You need the speed and my car is so slow. Oh. I'm going to give it a few more goes. I've fully reversed so far down now to get speed. Oh my god, I made it up! I didn't film it because I was like, this is so fucked, I couldn't film it, but what? I made it up! What? I'm actually so proud of myself! What? You're kidding! Oh my god, I can't believe this. I'm so stoked right now! And sweaty. Holy moly, that was so fucked! Oh my god, did my engine just break? What is that sound? Oh no! What just happened? Fuck. What is that noise? What is that noise? Fuck! Oh no! Fuck. Oh no! Something broke! Oh no! Oh no! Uh-oh, my car broke!
I was gonna say, well, you're only ringing if the car's broken.
What is, I don't know what to do. It's like green stuff coming out and it's sounding like, I don't know.
Green stuff is your coolant.
Fuck! What am I supposed to do?
Turn the motor off.
Yeah, I have, but it just keeps making sounds.
We need to check where the coolant's coming from. Maybe a clamp's let go or something.
Fuck!
Need to lift the bonnet and check your radiator.
Oh, you're kidding. Why is the sound not going off? Away?
What is it?
The sound is not going away. Can you hear that?
Oh, have you taken your keys out?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I have.
Where's the noise coming from?
Underneath, like it's dripping out some shit. Can you hear that?
I can sort of hear something.
Fuck.
Whereabouts are you though?
Yeah, guess where I am? On the top of the big sandy hill. I just made it up.
Oh, you went up Big Sandy.
Yeah, and I just made it up. I was so happy.
Yeah, I think you might have cooked your motor.
Fuck!
Doesn't sound good because she's overheated.
What? I can't even open my bonnet.
No, well, just be careful because it'll be hot.
Oh, what am I supposed to do?
You're just going to have to wait till things cool down, as long as everything's turned off.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, because, yeah, that is a treacherous hill, so it's probably put a lot of work on your car, like your motor. She might have
Fuck.
just overheated. Fingers crossed it's just overheated and
Yeah.
blowing
But it's dripping out coolant, like heaps. Some
Yeah.
green stuff on one end of the car.
yeah, well it might be coming out your overflow, so it might be overheated.
Oh, true.
You need to, if you can, lift your bonnet to let some heat out, but just be careful because you don't want to get hit with hot water or anything. I mean,
Fuck, I forgot how to open the bonnet.
Should be down on your right-hand side, underneath your dash or something.
Yeah, I know, but like, where's the thing underneath? There it is.
It's just on the
Ah, fuck, it's so hot. Wait.
Yeah, just lift the lid up and...
Fuck, it's like boiling right now.
Yeah, you're just going to have to wait for it to cool down. When it stopped, did you stop or did it stop?
No, I stopped.
Oh, you stopped?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you probably shouldn't have stopped straight away because your motor was... Anyway, it's too late now. Because the radiator keeps things cool, and when you got to the top, you've turned the motor off, and then it's just cooked the motor straight away. It's overheated. You should have kept it running, really.
Oh, well, I didn't know that.
You can't turn the car on now.
Nah. Can you hear it? Hear it?
You're bubbling, yeah, it's cooking.
Fuck! Darren, I can't believe this. Like, I was so happy that I made it up. Like, I had to reverse down so many times and let my tires down. I let them down to 12 psi, and then I finally just sent it and I got up.
Yeah, you probably... Yeah, the thing where you've probably gone wrong there is you stopped the motor, and because the motor was so hot because you sent it up the hill, and then it couldn't cool down because the motor was off, so that means your fan's turned off and it's not cooling the water down, so it's just cooked it.
Fuck.
Hopefully you haven't done any damage to the motor because there's still water in it. So
Oh.
hopefully it's just too hot at the moment.
I can't believe this. At least I made it up.
Fuck! Away from home.
Oh.
It's a big hill. It's a big ask for an old girl.
Fuck, I fully sent it, eh? It was
Were you
actually
first
fucked.
load?
I was like, huh?
Were you in one load to do it or second
Yeah,
load?
one. And then I
Must have been
ripped...
screaming.
No, I went up to 2. Like, I started in 1 and then 2 all the way up.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's all the coolant. Fuck, it's like still smoking. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Fuck. Look at the scratches on my car too. You're kidding. Fuck. No. I actually can't believe this. And I'm all alone too. There's like, it's not a single car that's passed by. Fuck, 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 fuck. That was so stupid of me. I shouldn't have come here. I shouldn't have come here. Oh. What do I do now? Like, seriously, what do I do now? Oh. I just want a mechanic to drive past right now. That's all I want. I can fix my car. Oh. I can't believe there was a car just passed and they just drove past. They didn't even stop. Oh. And I've got like my bonnet up. And I look like I need help. Oh. Oh well. They probably wouldn't have been able to help me anyways. Oh, so I'm on my way driving down now. These 2 guys stopped and helped me and filled up water in my coolant and said my car should like be fine. And they're like following me behind me right now, just making sure my car is alright. But it's not overheated yet. and I stopped there for like over half an hour just letting it cool down, and they said my car would be like, should be alright if it doesn't start overheating again. Oh, I'm actually so relieved right now. I can't believe it. And they were so nice, these two guys helping me. I'm so glad that they stopped and helped me, and now they're like following me, and they've got the sickest car. They've got like a Land Cruiser, like it's actually like a 79 series, I think. So sick. Oh, but I seriously can't believe that just happened. Like seriously, what an adventure. I just made it to this lookout. Those two guys, Layden and Tom. No, Layden and... Oh, I can't... Fuck. What was their name? Tom and Layden. Yeah, they're fucking legends. They actually helped me so much. They even helped me fill my tyres back out to 18 PSI. Because, oh my god. This one's fucked. Oh no! What? I just noticed that then. Fuck. Oh well, my car is fine. And yeah, happy days. Oh, I'm gonna fly my drone now. Like, this lookout is so sick. I've just like calmed down a bit because I was like in stress mode. But seriously, I'm so happy right now, thanks to Tom and Layton. Yeah, if you're watching this, thank you so much. You made my day. I would have like, yeah, probably been stuck up on that hill still if it wasn't for them. So they were legends. Oh. How crazy are the birds? I was like scared they were gonna attack my drone. Oh, so crazy. It was like giving me warnings all the time, like that it was something close. Wow, crazy. It's actually so nice here. Now I'm happy I'm here, but holy moly, that was an adventure that I'll never forget, I reckon. Okie dokie, let's drive down to 9 Mile Beach and go for a swim because I need to cool down. After that was just, oh, okay. This is the last time I'm gonna go on about this hill, my car, everything, but that was just so crazy. Like so crazy. And now we're never talking about it again. It's like it never happened. Okay? So let's drive to 9 Mile Beach and yeah, forget about this. I made it to 9 Mile Beach. Why is the so dark? I made it to 9 Mile Beach. And I'm gonna go for a swim now. The water looks that nice. It's gonna be so nice. Oh, like have a look at this. Like what? That is so nice. Hopefully there's no crocodiles in the water. Oh my god, that must have been like one of the best swims I've had in so long. Oh, I feel so much better right now. Wow, this place is insane. I actually love Byfield National Park. So nice. That was seriously so nice. Oh, I feel so refreshed right now. I'm gonna drive back to Five Rock Beach or whatever it's called. That's where I'm gonna camp tonight too, and it's 2 o'clock. High tide is at 4:30 or 5:30. I actually can't remember, but we'll see if you can drive on the beach on that side, and yeah, probably just chill for the rest of the afternoon. It's almost 2 o'clock right now. So, yeah, let's go back to Five Rocks. Check it out. I'm trying to find the beach access to Five Mile Beach, no, Five Rock Beach. But seriously, I have like no idea where I am. It's this signage is like not very good here, I reckon. Holy moly, and the tracks here. I thought Fraser was like, oh my god, I almost didn't make it up the hill. Fuck. Oh well, I need to concentrate on driving. And look how sunburnt I am. Oh my god. I'm so confused of like where I'm going. Because it says here, right turn vehicle access only onto Five Rock Beach. Does that mean I'm going that way? Or that way? What? I'm confused. Oh, how pretty does my car look, but oh my god, I'm so stupid. I just realized what it meant. It meant that like when you get down to the beach, you can only turn right. It's not here you're supposed to turn right, it's down on the beach. Oh my god, that was a blonde moment. So I just passed like a few cars and they said we don't recommend you going down there because you're gonna get bogged. We've spent the 3 hours trying to get people out. So fuck it, I'm gonna turn around. I do not want to get bogged again. But I'm gonna have a look at this lookout here and then, yeah, turn around. I don't even know if I want to camp anymore. Like, it's just like, it's been enough adventure for today. And I've got work on Monday, so I'm thinking about heading back home already. So, yeah, I'll have a think about it, see what I decide on doing. Wowsy, that's a nice lookout. What? Whoa, that must be Five Rocks Beach right there. That's sick. Wow, so pretty. Oh my god. Look how nice this is view. You're kidding. Wowsy, so nice. And this way too. What? You're kidding. Wow, that's so nice. Huh. Oh well, let's turn around and go back. I need to come back here, but like with someone, I feel like, because I'm too scared to go here alone again because I'm traumatized. Oh, I think. But I'm definitely coming back here because it's so nice. But it's so hot. I'll probably come back in winter time then. Oh, I was reversing my car because there was 2 other cars that came and I was like, oh, I'll just reverse. And I reversed straight into a tree. I'm gonna have a look now. Fuck! Fuck, fuck, fuck. Oh my god. What? Oh, I think my surfboard is okay. I thought I did like last time. I actually I've reversed into a tree once before and fully fucked my surfboard, but what? Seems fine. I might have just reversed in here or something. Wow. Huh. There's spider net all over my car. Oh my god. Wow, it's like stuck. Oh, well, that's good, I guess. I fully thought it was going to be fucked, but it's not. It's a hole there, but... Oh, it's one lucky day today. So, there's a sign right there that says Yeppoon on it. No, where is it? Oh yeah, it's there. And I'm pretty tempted to drive back to Yeppoon right now. It's been enough adventure for little Amanda today. I've decided I'm gonna drive back. Apparently, I didn't say this either. Another guy stopped and I had a chat to him and he said that one guy, like, he lost his whole tire. I drove past it, like the whole tire was gone. And he's like, yeah, like him and his mate's car is fucked and they're up like at Big Sandy and they're stuck. And there's like a big line because no one can get up because they're all in the way and it's like chaos over there. So I'm hoping I'm going to be able to get down. I want to get out of here now. So, yeah, let's drive there and have a look. At least it's easier to get down. Oh, and then I'm going to go back to Yeppoon. I'm going to have a nice shower. I might even stop at Upper Stony... No, because the road there was hectic to get into there. It was too corrugated. I'm going to go back to Yeppoon. I'm going to go and have a swim in the lagoon. And then I'm going to drive back home to Sunny Coast. And, yeah. 12 hours, not even that, 8 hours at Byfield National Park. Felt like 100 hours. It's been an adventure. Oh yeah, let's keep driving. I got to this section and I can't get up. Fuck. Like, look how big it is. It's like up and down, up and down. Oh, fuck. It's just that little part, but and I should be alright. But look. Oh. What's up here? Fuck. I'm so close to getting out of here. Imagine if I get bogged. Like the last thing I do before I get out of here. Oh, I just need to get over that thing. There's another one here, but I think that one is even worse. I'll have a look. Oh my god. Have a look at this one. Oh, this one's even worse. Like, look at the holes here. Fuck. Oh, this is not good. I reckon I'm gonna reverse down and I'm gonna have to send it again. I just don't want my car to overheat again. And because it's like so up and down, I'm probably gonna... Oh. Or do I turn back around and go the other way? I don't know. Oh, fuck. I need to, like, how much have I sworn in this video? I'm usually not like this.